Hey guys, how's it going? So I'm getting ready to get in the shower, and I just wanted to say that I am officially almost caught up on all of my videos, well, cell phone videos anyway. So by the time you see this one, I should be caught up in the next couple of days, at least. Also, I just wanted to show off the necklace that my grandma gave me. Not exactly sure what it is. I think it's a coin. I don't really know. Sorry for the loud noise. I can't unplug the machine. It helps with the water and stuff like that. So when I say the water, I mean the humidity in the air and shit like that. Yes, I gotta lose some weight. That's something else I've been meaning to do. So yeah, I mean, I could have just done this in the first place, but this seems easier. I gotta let myself go. It sucks, but I plan on getting back to shape one of these days, hopefully soon. Anyways, I'm gonna go. See ya.